One of my friends, tragically, she had passed away after an operation, and her parents, I had made, I think it was one of my first cards that I actually shared with others on social media, and they loved it. They pulled me aside and they were like, I can't believe it. And when they saw on the back my stamp saying my name, that I made it, they were touched, and they said that she would have loved it. In my day job, I'm IT, and it's something that's relaxing, and so I love to color, and I do that when I just feel like getting away from the world and just stamping and coloring, or watercoloring. I had come across a stamp and I loved it. One of my friends actually had it, and I stamped it and I was coloring it, and then I went home and assembled it and I posted it on my Instagram, and one of my followers had liked it because it was their best friend who had recently passed away's favorite flower. And so I direct messaged them back and said, okay, what's your address? And I sent it to them because I knew that would be very important for them to have. And so I hope it brought a smile to them as it did for me making it. They messaged me back saying that they knew I was sending them something, but they weren't clear on what. And so they messaged back and they were like, oh, I can't believe that you sent this to me. And they were so grateful, and that their best friend would have loved to see it. I felt like I put together what I would have wanted to receive if I was on the receiving end. A lot of the stores have closed down, so you don't get to meet people face to face like you used to. So through sharing cards on social media, I've been able to connect to people locally and internationally, and have met quite a few people in person. One of the things that came out of meeting people locally is that we regularly meet up. So we have craft days and get together and share. All to Know I love. From the time I saw the first stamp on video, I was hooked. And today is wonderful, getting to connect to some of the people that I've met already through crafting, and as well meeting new people, sitting at the table and just talking through with everybody about what they're doing, what they're up to. It's like a toy store, you know, you go and play and you're having your fun and you get to connect to people at the same time. The crafting community has been so warm and welcoming. They give you feedback, and that's how I've connected to quite a few people. They've said, oh, I love this, or oh, maybe you should try that. Do what you love. So if you love to color, or whether you're just starting out and you've never picked up a pencil or a crayon ever, just get it, just try it and share it. Just go for it.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.